is the reason why we came to see the real Talmud. Jewish is known for Nobel Prize. You guys have more than 200 people won the Nobel Prize. This is the reason why Korean people are so curious about how Jewish people study. Why Jewish people are so smart.
We don't have any good place, any good school for Talmud in Korea.
לימוד מתורגם לקוריאנית הפך ללהיט. רבים לומדים וחולמים לפענח את הטכניקה ולחדד את מוחם.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much giving us the opportunity to come to yeshiva. Teach us to how to understand Jewish way of study. You have to go back, look at their tradition. Where all these styles came from. There must be the root. We have to find the root in order to understand their way of living. This is the reason why we want to come to yeshiva.